I'm Mike Johnson, that's my wife Allison, and our son Caden. And we just bought an 120-year-old farmhouse on 15 acres. We set this channel up so that you can follow us on our journey to renovate this property into a retreat that our family and friends can enjoy for decades to come. But I gotta warn you, there will be challenges, and this won't be easy. And whoa, look at that. But then again, what worth having is easy. So hit the subscribe button and we'll bring you along every step of the way. Let's go. You're back. Welcome to episode 4. And as you can see in this video, we have officially kicked off demolition. And so we're not finished yet with demo, by the way, but we did want to share with you a quick video. This episode is going to be pretty quick, of just a few things, 4 to be exact, things that we've already found since we started knocking down walls and tearing down ceilings. The funny thing about demo, especially of an old house, 120-year-old house at that, is you never know what you're going to find behind those walls, ceilings, and floors. So here are 4 things we've already found behind ours. Enjoy and look out for the next episode. What are those? So I managed to get a lot of the subfloor pulled up, or exposed, I should say, in the kitchen and in the living room and the bedroom around the corner. And if you look at this part of the subfloor, you're like, wow, this subfloor is in good shape. But if you pan, whoa, shit, look at that. That subfloor is not in good shape. Yeah, much different situation.
Click that subscribe